Will this have a direct impact on people getting a mortgage? Will the bank failures have a direct impact on people getting a mortgage? I'll say yes. Depending on the type of mortgage that you're applying for. If you are applying for a portfolio loan, which is again something that is considered to be like a loan with a credit union, or a loan that the bank is going to keep and not sell on the secondary market to try to recoup the money, they are probably going to be tightening up who they are lending to. If they choose to lend on those products at all, it is completely possible that if they find that this is widespread enough, some of the jumbo loans that, let's say you only have to put down 5%, they might rewrite the rules and say, oh, no, we need you to put down 20%. Some of these credit unions that I frequently lose to, I tell anybody all the time, I'm here to make sure that I'm providing the best service to you. And if I lose, then I lose. I'm okay with that. XYZ credit union that has 100% financing, if they look up and they realize that, oh my gosh, a lot of banks are starting to pull back on their lending. Maybe we should too. That 100% financing might be now they need you to put 5% down, or they may decide, we do have no mortgage insurance, at this fictitious ABC bank that I'm making up. So let's add some mortgage insurance or something like that. So will it impact people getting a mortgage? Potentially, just depending on the amount of risk that lenders are willing to take on based upon what we're starting to see. Because like I said, if we have anything that looks like that it is contagious, one situation starts to spill over into other banks, they are going to tighten up who they are lending to. That is why I am constantly encouraging people, stay ready so you don't have to get ready, and have some money, because the big losers in things like this are people that barely qualify, people that have barely a 580 credit score, barely a 620 credit score, barely have 3% down to put down as a down payment. These are some serious times when you start to think about the market shifting from what it was 3 years ago when it was a free for all. Now, when we're starting to introduce the idea of banks failing, do you think the bank is going to be your friend? No, they are going to protect themselves at all costs.